We let you sleep at night, definitely. Lawyers offer peace of mind and reduce future administrative burdens, financial burdens, by addressing potential legal issues proactively. And that's the key word, really, being proactive, not reactive. It will cause being reactive will cost you loss of sleep, money, reputation, and it would totally impact your life. So, and that's how we prevent disputes through the work that we do.